Welcome to the TDM Standalone Linux installation via HTTP video. In this video, we'll walk you through installing TDM step by step. The process has 7 main steps: 1. Docker installation, 2. Extracting packages, 3. Loading Docker images, 4. Hostname configuration, 5. Database credentials, 6. Deployment, 7. Keycloak configuration, 8. Final checks. Before you start installation package, you need to obtain the package from the TDM team. Hostname: the application requires a hostname to be configured and run. This can be either an IP address or DNS. Required ports: the following ports must be open to access the application: 80, HTTP, 443, HTTPS, Docker. All TDM components run in Docker containers. Docker must be installed before TDM. Please refer to the Docker installation below. If Docker is already installed, you can proceed to the installation steps. Step 1. Docker installation for Linux. System requirements: Docker engine installation steps vary depending on the Linux distribution. Steps to install Docker: 1. Refer to the official Docker documentation for distro-specific installation instructions. 2. Use the package manager of your Linux distribution to install Docker. Recommended version: Docker Engine 26 or higher. Step 2. Extracting packages. TDM installation for Linux. You will receive a .tar.gz package, named as TDM Standalone 24.5.tar.gz. Follow these steps to extract it. Dear TDM Standalone, tar, xvzf TDM 24.5.tar.gz, see TDM Standalone. This will create a folder named TDM Standalone containing multiple files and subfolders. The exact folder structure may vary depending on the setup. An example extraction process may take 5 to 10 minutes. Step 3. Loading Docker images. Inside the Packages folder, you will find .tar and .tar.gz files. These compressed Docker images are created using the docker save command, with compression reducing the package size by over 70%. To load the Docker images: 1. Run the following script to import all images: /config.sh load_images. 2. After successful execution, you will see a confirmation message: all Docker images have been loaded successfully. Step 4. Hostname configuration. Since TDM is a client-side application, hostname parameters must be configured for each service. A script is provided to simplify this process. Run the following command and follow the prompts: /config.sh set_hostname, provide the appropriate hostname and IP address for a VM or DNS. The application will be configured to use this hostname, allowing client access. Note: if you use a DNS address as the hostname, ensure that you have valid certificates to enable HTTPS. After configuring hostname parameters, press Y to update the Docker compose.yml file. Step 5. Database credentials. To securely configure the database credentials, you must first encrypt the database password. A provided script automates this process by encrypting the specified username and password, then setting the necessary configuration values. The TDM application will automatically decrypt these values during runtime. /config.sh set_decreds. Step 6. Deployment. After completing the configuration, run the TDM application. Before starting, we recommend reviewing all Compose services to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once ready, execute the following command: docker compose upd. After running the command, the containers will start and should show a healthy status. Run the following command to check keycloak logs: docker logs f tdm keycloak. When you see the message running the server in development mode, it indicates that the keycloak environment is accessible. Step 7. Keycloak configuration. Open Keycloak. Username, admin demo. Password, admin demo. Click Sign In. From the top left drop-down menu, select TDM, navigate to menu Manage Clients. From the Open page, select TMUID. In the Access Settings section, set the root URL and valid redirect URIs as required. Click Save. Step 8. Final checks. Access TDM through the browser to confirm the setup is working properly. Username, admin, password. The installation should now be complete and functioning smoothly. For more detailed information on each step, please refer to the TDM installation guide. Thanks for watching. Enjoy using TDM.